A bill seeking to grant ABS-CBN Corporation a franchise to operate has been filed in the House of Representatives. Albay's 2nd District Representative Joey Salceda files House Bill number 11252 on Tuesday, January 7. Citing House deliberations on the ABS-CBN franchise during the previous Congress, Salceda points out that the media giant did not violate ownership restrictions and did not have pending tax liabilities. Based on the bill, the lawmaker says the non-renewal of the ABS-CBN franchise cost some 11,000 direct jobs, and the information asymmetries that resulted from the loss of an information source cost thousands of new COVID-19 infections during the critical 2020 period. It also reads that prior to the rejection of the franchise renewal, some 36% of Filipinos derived their news and entertainment from the channel. It adds that ABS-CBN's extensive regional network reach was also the source for news and updates on impending disasters, making the channel crucial then to disaster risk reduction strategies at the local level. In a separate statement, Salceda says the free market of ideas requires competition, and a virtual monopoly will not do so as far as disseminating ideas and keeping the public informed is concerned. He echoes this in an ambush interview on the same day, saying he believes that granting franchise to the network was the right thing to do.
Kailangan ng kalaban ng GMA pagdating sa reporting on disasters. Kailangan natin yung free market of ideas and of course reporting on events. Lalong-lalo na sa pananaw, patungkol sa kung ano ang nangyayari sa ating bayan. So ako naniniwala na ang pagpapanumbalik ng isa sa mga sabi natin na magandang laban ng GMA at ng ABS ay nakakabuti sa bayan.